Today I have a Mr. and Mrs. box number 7 unboxing. Hey guys, it's April and welcome back to my channel. Before I get started today's video, I just want to remind you guys to hit the subscribe button down below. I'd really appreciate it. Also, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. You guys are awesome. Thank you so much for watching. So in today's video, I'm going to be unboxing the Mr. and Mrs. box number 7. So let's just get started. Okay guys, so this is my Mr. and Mrs. box number 7. I did take out 2 of the items because I didn't think that they would be appropriate on my channel. So I'm just going to kind of leave those items out of this. But I did leave the rest in here, so I believe that there are still like 5 items in here. So let's just kind of open this up and see what's inside. So this is what it looks like when you open it up. And there is this is so adorable, you guys. It's the relationship challenge. And it's a 30-day challenge, and these could be done in any order, and it's just like a little way to like get closer to your partner. And this is really cute because there's like go on a walk together, cook a meal, go to the movies, write a love note, have a picnic in the park, just a lot of cute things to do together. And then this is also super cute too. I'm definitely gonna fill this out. It's called Our Love Story. It says first met, first date, and first kiss, and then you fill out like the dates and then where it was. And then for the engagement, what date and where it happened, and then the wedding date, and then the countries that we have visited. We have only visited Canada together. And then things we love to do together, and you just kind of list that out. And I thought this was super cute, and I'm definitely gonna fill this out in like a really pretty pen. And then this is like the list of items that this comes with, and 2 of them I'm not gonna show you guys because I just don't think it's appropriate for my channel. My channel is like a family-friendly channel, so I didn't want to involve or incorporate those items in this. So the first item we have here is so cute, you guys. This holds a bottle of champagne, and it says all you need is love and some champagne, and it even says Miss to Mrs. on the bottom, which I thought was just so cool. So this is like so cute and adorable, and I love like the gold foil writing on it. Up next, they also gave me like this little red pouch of 150 red rose petals. These are artificial, they're not real. So these just kind of come in handy. For me, they've actually come in handy a lot with like decor and stuff. So it's always nice to have these on hand. So I thought that was kind of cool. Up next, I also got these awesome candles. They are not scented, but they actually float in the bathtub. I thought these were so cute. So like maybe like if I make like a bath and then like put some like rose petals in it to make it smell like roses with like candles in it, that'd be nice for like a little spa day or something. So I thought these were like so cool. I've never seen something like this before, but I think this is just such a cute little idea. The next item is these 2 little glasses, but they're actually made out of plastic, which is actually nice because then they're harder to break. But they're little champagne flutes, and they don't have the stem, and they say cheers on them, and they are just so cute and adorable, and I love that it has the gold writing on it, and these are just so cute. I'm literally obsessed with these. And then the last item that I have here is this box of cards, and so they're all like assorted, so I'm just gonna like take these out for you so you guys can see what they each say. But all the cards are blank inside, and they come with a bunch of gold envelopes. So 2 of them say, I want you today, tomorrow, next week, and for the rest of my life. Then these 2 say, reasons I love you. And then these last 2 say, yes, I'm thinking about you right now. So I thought these were like super cute, and maybe to like even exchange like on the day of the wedding day. These ones would be cute because it says I want you today, tomorrow, next weekend, for the rest of my life. So it's very like, you know, it sounds kind of like a little wedding vibes thing. But yeah, so that is everything that came in this box besides those 2 items that I'm just not going to go over personally. But yeah, so I really enjoyed this box. I definitely give this one a big thumbs up. It's definitely like really cute, and I love like the little champagne theme we have going on here. It's just so cute and adorable. I love these boxes. It is a monthly subscription. This was box number 7, so now I just have my box number 8, and I am done. I am super excited. The wedding is just coming closer and closer and closer, and I'm like, where is time going? So like, this is crazy, and I'm super excited, and I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. You guys are awesome. Okay, you guys, that is it for today. If you guys like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. You guys are awesome. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys have a glamorous rest of your day. Bye!